If losing your next paycheck is going to create panic for you, then you're not financially secured, even if you earn really well. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact steps you need to take so that you don't have to panic anymore. And even if anything was to happen to your paycheck, you'll be in a much better position. Most people think that financial security means earning well at your job, and that's not the case. Because even if you lose your job and you don't have options, then you're not secure. Financial security means you have options regardless of what happens to your income. The real risk isn't losing your job. The real risk is not having options when something happens. And the people who are most exposed are actually those that are earning a lot because they have built a lifestyle around that income. And if one income is all you have, then you are more fragile because if anything happens to that income, then your life is going to come falling apart. Now, when people realize this, they rush and jump into options that are not favorable. They start with a side hustle, or they look for what's trending online, or just start the next business that they assume will make them money. And this is a mistake. When you're trying to build options for yourself, starting the next side hustle that comes to your brain is not the first step to take. If you want financial security, the first step is for you to identify the skill set that you already have that someone else is willing to pay for. And this is more important than just starting a business. It's more important than starting the next side hustle or the next thing that is trending out there. Now, when it comes to skill set, you're not thinking about skills that you like or the skills that you hope to learn one day. I am talking about skill sets that you use every day that solves problems for people, that saves time for people, that reduce risk for people, and skill sets that create outcomes for people. That's the kind of skill set that would help you make the kind of money and build the financial security that you desire. Now, this is one truth you're going to have to face. Income does not come from passion. It comes from value. And I had to learn this quickly because in the past, I used to focus so much on the things I was passionate about. And sometimes the things that you're passionate about will not bring you money immediately because there's a possibility that you have not grown to that level that will demand that income that you desire. But there's one thing that will always bring you income, and that's when you're able to create value. Now, when it comes to you thinking about the skill sets that you have, I want you to look very closely because most times the skill sets that are second nature to us are skill sets that we often overlook. So I want you to look closely and look at everything that you do on a day-to-day basis, whether it's in your personal life, whether it's at work, whether it's things that people ask you to help out with. Look closely and list out all your skill sets. Now, they might sound boring, but remember the value is what's key, not what sounds trendy or what you think that you like. Now, once you identify the skill set, here are certain things I don't want you to do. I don't want you to go about quitting your job. You need to validate that value. You need to validate that skill set. You need to start earning money from it in a stable manner before you even think about quitting your job. So this is not all about you quitting your job. This is you creating options that allows you to be less dependent on one income that comes from your paid employment. Now, one thing I've also come to learn about financial security is that financial security does not come from, you leaving a paid employment and going into full-time entrepreneurship. Financial security comes from you being less dependent on one income stream. Because even if you decide to leave your paid employment and go full-time into entrepreneurship, if that business does not bring you the income that you need to survive, you're still going to struggle, right? And you're still going to be insecure. So the goal is not whether we leave our paid employment for entrepreneurship. The goal is for me to build multiple things that bring me income so that if something happens to A, B can help me out. And if something happens to B, I have C to pull up to. Creating options is the goal, and that's what we're focusing on in this video. So the question I want you to start asking yourself in this new year is this: if I want more income, what can I rely on that can bring me that income? And from experience, I've come to realize that the quickest thing is for us to pull out from what we have. Now, let me just give you a quick one. When I started to think of, options besides having just one full-time job, one of the things that I did was to be able to look within myself. And as an agile coach and a projects manager, I looked inward and said, who else needs this skill set? Who else needs, projects management knowledge? Who else needs this agile knowledge that I have? Could I go and service maybe other organizations, or should I go and service other individuals? And I realized that it was easier for me to service other individuals because there was a market gap where there were lots of people who were looking for this knowledge so that they could be better on their jobs. And so I went through that path. And it was so easy because it didn't take anything from me. This was something I was already doing in my day-to-day world. That was what I was doing at work. And so having to then teach other people was second nature to me. Now, if I went, just off the cuff to go look at something that was trendy out there, I probably would have failed. But because I took the time to take a look at my skill set and take a look at what is currently solving a market need and what is currently valuable. And I realized that if my job is paying me for this skill set, there are definitely other people that will pay me for it. And that's how I want you to think in this new year. So I don't want you to go, reinvent the wheel. I don't want you to start thinking from scratch and start trying to learn something new. No, the skill set that you need to make that extra income is already inside you. I just need you to take that time to write it all out. And I want you to write everything that you can think about, everything that you're currently doing, everything that you're extremely good at, and everything that is valuable is what I want you to focus on right now, because this is the starting point for that financial security that you desire. Once you're able to identify that skill, every other thing will come next. So I'm going to bring this video to an end right here because I want you to go and do the work. I want you to go grab yourself a book and a paper and list out that skill set that you already do very well, that already brings value either to the job that you're currently on or to people around you. And then I want you to start to think of how you can actually create an offer out of it and serve other people. Now, in my next video, we're going to go even deeper to be able to see how we can then structure that skill set and start to market it to the people that actually need it. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share with other working professionals who are looking to build a side hustle and rely less on their paid employment. My name is Yinka Okunlade, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.